Stay in the car, boss! Stay in the car! Hands out the door!
I'm sorry?
Hands out the door!
I'm sorry?
This woman thinks she can be arrested because she was married to a cop for 15 years.
Hands out! Come on out for me.
Are you having issues?
Yes, I'm having an issue.
Okay, what is it?
Come on back for me. Anybody else in the car?
No, just me. Are you okay?
I'm perfectly fine. Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm just asking you about you. I mean,
Okay, don't be worrying about me. I'm worried about you. Why are you all over the road?
I had no idea I was all over the road.
You didn't?
No.
Have we had anything to drink today?
I had a drink before I left the bar for tonight, but that's it.
Okay.
Just one.
Just one?
Yes?
Okay. You can put your hands down now.
Okay.
Where are you from?
Here.
You have your ID on you?
It's in the car.
All right.
Would you like me to go get it?
No, just give me a second. I'm waiting till my partner gets here.
Your name is?
Deputy Daniels.
Daniels. Okay.
All right, so how much have we had to drink today?
One drink before I let a Bloody Mary before I left there at the bar tonight.
All right, so why are we all over the road?
I had no idea. I mean, I have new tires, but I don't know if anything other than
Okay,
that.
I was following. You got called in by several people.
Several?
I've got called in by several people, and while I was behind you, you're going over the right side. You're going over the left side.
I mean, you can if you want to drive my truck with my tires, my new tires. They're kind of a little funky, but
come on, walk back out this way for me. Do you know who lives here?
my friends.
You live here?
Yes,
Okay.
I live here.
What's the address here? 4113. Reference the vehicle that somebody hit. Do we have RP on that?
Hit? Would you mind letting me know what's going on here?
I already did. You're called in as all over the road, and that you hit something.
What did I hit?
That's what I'm trying to find out.
I didn't hit anything. So can you please let me know what I hit? Because I didn't
Good,
hit
you can talk to him.
What did I hit? I hit nothing.
Where were you headed to?
Right here. That's where my park is truck.
Officers notice her speech is slurred. See how much times you can notice her speech slurred.
Can you stay with her?
Can you please tell me what you need? Otherwise,
Okay.
you have to let me go.
Right.
No, I ain't got to do nothing.
Excuse
Okay,
me?
I ain't got to do nothing. You're going to stay here until we're done with you. That's no more. You keep talking, that's it, we're done. You can give me a little pouty face all you want.
Are you
Where's your
sure?
driver's license? Where's your ID?
You
Ma'am.
tell me.
Ma'am.
You tell me, mother.
I'll go find it. Don't worry about it.
Ma'am,
I was married
I'm gonna
to
explain.
a motor cop of 15 years.
Okay,
I don't have to deal with this. No.
You ask, I wanna explain you what's going on, okay?
Please tell
Do
me.
you wanna know what's going on?
Please tell me. Please tell because he is being an asshole.
Okay,
So please tell
alright.
me.
So then talk to me, okay?
Thank
You
you.
have been called as a reckless driver, that you are unable to maintain lane. That just let
So
me,
can
let, okay.
can you please tell me what I have
But
done?
If you're gonna be interrupting me, okay, you're not gonna know why you're being pulled over, okay? You've been called as a reckless
I was
stop.
married. I was married
You don't want to know,
to
right?
a motor cop for 15 years.
All you care is just argue
So
with
please
me, right?
tell me what you need from me so I can go.
Okay.
What do you need? I gotta go.
Right now, you are a suspect in a hit and run case. Okay, we're investigating. You are
Hit
detained.
and run?
You are detained. You are not free to go.
Hit and run?
Yes, that's what we're trying to find out.
What's your name?
I'm sorry. I had no idea.
What's your name?
Okay.
Please tell me what you're trying to do.
If it's a misunderstanding,
Yes.
you're gonna be free to go, but
Yes.
you need to find out. So you
Yes.
need to relax. We just investigating, okay?
Okay.
Nobody yet said that
Your
you are.
name, your namer is.
It's right here.
Oh Jesus Christ!
It's not Jesus Christ.
What's your name?
No, it's 2/3 to the way.
Don't touch me.
Can you tell me
Do
what?
not touch
Can
me.
you tell me what that says?
What's your name?
It's Deputy Hlebanowski.
She's got two different IDs.
What a what? It's a what to Dineski was what? I'm Heather Sunderman. Heather Sunder. I'm Heather
Okay.
Heather. Formerly Heather said Sunderman. I'm divorced. I
Okay.
was Sunderman. Now I am.
And what is the reason for you to have two different?
Because I have children with the same last name as Sunderman.
How much you had to drink? I can smell it on your breath.
One drink. What's one? A Bloody Mary. It's just one.
You're interrupting me, and you only care to argue with
I have
me.
been very I've been very quiet.
No,
What is going?
were you?
can you tell
Really?
me? Can you tell me what's going on
So
tonight?
you're gonna listen to me this time without interrupting me what I have to
Sir,
say?
Please tell me
Okay,
what's going on
I'm
tonight.
gonna repeat myself then. You were caught as a reckless driver, unable to maintain lane. You
That
wanna...
is very surprising to
Okay,
me.
all right. You carry on to argue
Can you
with me.
tell me what's going on tonight, please?
All right, guys.
I'm the former wife.
I need somebody to stay with her so I can find out what the heck is going on, okay?
I would also like to know what the heck is going on tonight. Please, is someone hurting that? Is there someone gone?
We're trying to figure it out, okay? What's your name?
Heather.
Heather. We're trying to figure out.
One moment. I'm going to grab my phone.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Stand right there, please.
Excuse me?
You're detained right now.
4113
Okay.
I need my phone.
No,
I
you
need my
understand?
phone. I need my phone.
No, not right now.
Excuse me? Not right now? What is your... what's
Deputy
your name?
Martin Reyes.
Martin Reyes.
Yes, ma'am.
Please call Deputy Key West Police Officer...
Who? Who you want me to call?
Bodret.
How are you doing? Okay, what's going on? Are you, how are you related?
So this gentleman had his blinker on, and he was going like 30, 35 miles an hour.
Okay, who are you?
I'm Mark. This is my car right up here. I was right behind this.
You're the one who called us.
He is the one who called you.
Okay, let me talk to you first. I want to be right with you, okay? So you're the one who called us.
Yes.
Tell me what's going on.
She hit me when I was pulling out of Sugarloaf Boulevard, and then she took off. So I turned around and chased her. She did a loop, come back on US 1, and I called the deputy. Well, I called the sheriff's department, followed her. This gentleman passed me because I was only going 35. When he passed me, he realized that this guy was messed up because he was swerving back and forth. The lady was swerving back and forth. And then I guess you or somebody else pulled him over. We went in there. That's as far as I know.
All right, do you have damage to your car?
Yeah.
Pablo.
Is that the old guy or the young guy?
He's my age. Is that
What's your age?
Is that old to you?
I don't know what your age is. How old are you?
I'm sorry, but if you don't know if you don't know how old I am, you have no business. You.
Well, you gotta be rude. I'm not being rude to you.
Yes, you are.
Why am I being rude to you?
You know what you're doing.
Yes.
So she sideswiped you.
Yeah, she sideswiped me in the light. She's turning into Sugarloaf Boulevard, and she didn't make it. She just hit me.
Okay, so she's gonna have a damage to the driver's side of the vehicle, right?
She should have it to this side.
Yeah, so the driver's side of the vehicle.
She should.
15 years.
Okay. 15 years what?
Robert
Robert?
Sunderman,
Who's that?
Key West KD.
Okay. Once again, we are not in Key West.
I know. Neither were you when you followed me.
I just got here. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, I don't know. Did you pull me over?
That was me.
That was you pulled me over. Where were you when you pulled me over?
Right behind you.
Where?
Right behind you.
Where?
Right behind you.
Where?
Right out here.
You think I don't know?
Where was I?
Give me my phone and I'll tell you.
Where was I? Well, why? Because your friend behind you called you?
Stay right there. You're going to be
Don't
placing handcuffs.
touch-
You understand?
Don't
Ma'am,
walk.
you're going to be putting handcuffs if you don't relax.
Please call.
We're not calling anybody.
Please call.
We are not calling
Pablo
anybody. You're an adult, okay?
Key West KD.
He's not going right now. And if you
Why?
keep trying to
Why?
walk away, you're going to be
Why am I
handcuffed.
detained?
Because we're conducting a criminal investigation, okay?
For what?
For crash, hit, and run.
Who did that?
And how much do we really have
I
to
did
drink?
not do anything. One Bloody Mary. One.
Just one?
One. Yes, just one. Give me my phone.
You will
and I
not gonna
be-
get a phone.
I will be cooperate.
Man, you're not going back to that vehicle, okay?
I want to talk to Detective Pablo of the Key West PD, and I want to do it right now, or I'm gonna mose my.
You need to relax. Calm down.
Then call him.
I'm not calling him. I'm not
I'm
calling
not gonna
anybody.
relax until you tell me you're gonna call him.
Okay, so I was just behind this gentleman, and he had his flashers on, and was going like 30, 35 miles an hour, and I was like, all right, I gotta get around this guy. I don't know what he's doing. As soon as I get ahead of him, I see what he was doing because this person's all over the road. So I did the same thing he did. I just hung back when we were pulling up on this past bridge. You or the other officer, I saw you pull out right behind me, and I knew exactly what was going on then, that you were waiting for that person, and that's when I pulled over to the side so you could get around me and get behind this.
Okay, so you didn't.
I was not damaged.
Okay.
No.
You didn't witness the crash.
No, sir.
And you basically just witnessed her like being all over the road.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
All right, you good course.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're not calling anybody, okay? You're an adult.
I want my phone. Please call Pablo. I didn't do anything. anything. I
detained right
haven't
now.
hurt anybody.
You're
I
failing
have
to
not.
obey my commands to stay
No,
still.
I have not. You did not tell me to stay still. Stay still?
yes, we
no,
both
he did
did.
not.
We
He
both
did not. No, he did not.
Yes, we did.
Kremla! Lima! Linda! Let me call my friend.
You need to
Please.
relax.
No, what you're doing to me is unfair. And it's unjust. And it's not right. Linda!
Hey, have a seat. Relax.
I am relaxed.
Have a seat,
Linda!
Have a
If you do not call Pablo,
You need to have a seat.
you're gonna have a problem.
Have a seat.
You're hurting me.
Have
You're
a
hurting me. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. I'm
You
very
need to follow our orders. Sit down and stay still.
Pablo! Pablo!
Lord,
You detaining me.
because you're failing to comply with my legal lawful
But
orders.
I haven't done anything to you.
I have tried to explain to you, but you're not listening.
I don't know what you're trying to explain to me because I don't speak English. Let it on.
What?
Let me out, please. I
No,
don't
you
speak
are
English.
detained. You are detained.
I only speak English.
Why, I don't speak English?
I don't know what you're saying. Please speak.
Don't be
English.
racist to me.
Excuse me?
Yes, you're telling me I don't speak English?
You think I'm not from here?
I don't know where you're from.
Then why are you speaking to me like that?
Then why are you making fun of my accent?
Pablo! Pablo!
Pablo said you're on your own.
Excuse me?
Pablo said you're on your own.
I want to speak to him and he can tell me
He
himself.
didn't want to talk to you.
And please tell me what you accuse me of.
Crashing into something and leaving.
What? 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 Did I crash me into my ex-husband right now?
You need to relax.
Call him right now!
I am calling anybody. How old are you? You're an adult. You're a grown woman.
I'm a grown woman. You're
Yes.
a grown man. Let me
Correct.
out.
No, you're
You're a
detained.
grown man.
You are detained.
If you say I'm a grown man, you let me, won't him?
You are detained.
Please, my dog
You
needs
need to
to
relax.
get out.
Where's your dog?
He's in my bus.
Is he in your truck?
Yes, not my truck, my bus.
What boss?
Please take me to my dog.
What type of dog you have?
He's a Labrador. He's not gonna hurt. Oh, please take me to my dog.
This is the best dogs ever. That hurt my feelings.
Please take me to my dog. Please take me to my dog.
Okay,
Give me my dog.
ma'am.
No, you have no right to detain me without telling me why.
Okay,
Where's my dog?
okay. I want to explain you what's going on.
No, I don't want an explanation. I want ounce.
You're being under arrest.
Wait! Imagine that I am your wife. How would you want someone
Stop.
to handle? No! Imagine
You
that
have-
I
you have
am
a
your
dog?
wife.
You have a-
Imagine that
Do you- do you have a-
Imagine
Stop.
that I am your wife.
Can you
stop?
Can you stop?
Stop!
Yelling? Can we
No!
Can we talk like
No!
adults?
No!
Okay,
Until
then
you
we're
stop.
not gonna talk at all.
No, we cannot stop it at all.
If you can transport, I'm gonna follow.
Stop kicking!
Then let me out!
Ray, she keeps kicking my damn doors.
Look, you're gonna get sprayed.
Thank you, please. Please let me out, please. I have problems with anxiety. Please, just let me, please.
Listen.
Please, my anxiety is
Ma'am,
please,
understand.
Patty. I don't know what I'm going to happen.
Arrest, okay? Listen.
Please,
Listen,
my
please.
anxiety, please let me breathe. Please let me breathe. Otherwise, you're gonna. Please let me breathe.
Ma'am, you-
Please let me breathe. I can't breathe.
You can breathe if you talk,
Please
you breathe.
let me breathe.
Ma'am,
I'm gonna go on the other side.
Please let me breathe. Please, I don't think you guys want what's stuck in their death case on your face. He's following me! Let me go! Let me go!
you're gonna get sprayed.
Let me go! Please let me go! Please let me go! It hurts!
You're gonna get sprayed, ma'am.
Just stop!
Either you're gonna comply or you're gonna get sprayed. I'm not playing no more games.
Stop! I know how your bullshit games work! Please stop! Please wait! Please stop! We're so fucking bad.
Man, you are under arrest and you're gonna keep getting more charges if you
I
don't
want
comply.
Pablo!
I'm giving you a direct order to stop resisting.
You think I don't know what that means in your
Yes,
language?
yes.
It means
Then
you can
stop resisting.
spray me if I
Yes,
don't.
and I'm ready to do it.
Which means you're a person.
Yes, I am. Stay still.
Person. You're all. All just because my ex-husband is more powerful than I am?
I have no idea who you are. I have no idea who's your
You.
husband.
You don't care,
What I
which
know-
means you're a shit.
You shouldn't be
Which
drinking and
means
driving,
you're a
okay?
shit person.
You shouldn't be drinking and driving and putting everybody else in
Drinking
danger.
and driving? I was
Yes.
not drinking and driving. I want Pablo. Go away! Go away! Go away! You're a idiot!
Spray, spray!
Don't.
Stop it, you fool!
Sheriff's office.
Yeah.
Hello. Sorry to bother you, sir. Do you know a Heather?
Yeah.
Do you guys have her dog or anything like that?
Have a what?
Does she live here?
Yeah.
She lives here. Okay.
Yeah.
She got arrested for DUI.
Did she?
Yes. And she got arrested for hit and run and DUI. And she was very concerned about her dog. So I don't know if she's just making a dog up or if there's a dog here.
I don't know where the dog is.
She's saying there's a boss that's parked out here. I don't know
There's
what.
a what?
A boss.
Yeah, that's over here. Her RV.
So she's saying her dog isn't there.
Okay.
Okay, and she's very worried about her dog.
She probably wants somebody to take the dog
So
out
can you
for a
guys
walk.
can you guys take care of the dog?
Yeah.
Thank you. Appreciate it, sir. Thank you.
That what a pain in the ass this chick is. She left the scene of an accident.
Yes.
She got drunk.
Yes. Are you guys like family or?
My wife is a good friend of hers.
The woman is then arrested and taken to the nearby police station.
Everything is going on. This is all under surveillance, surveillance. So you know this. You're all getting watched. And when they see what you've done to me,
I haven't done anything.
ow! Ow! You see how strong I am? I'm so tiny. Please stop. How have you treated me since I've been here?
Oh, I ain't been good to treat you bad yet.
No, you haven't. But go have and ask. What's your name? Can I see your name? He won't tell me his name. Make him say me see his name.
My name is Daniels.
Daniels what?
Daniels.
What Daniels?
Deputy.
Oh yeah? Talk to Pablo.
Can we dress her,
Talk to
please?
Pablo. Talk to. Ow! 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 You fuck! Ow! Look at me! You stupid fuck! It's video surveillance right now. The fact that you're making me piss myself is your fucking fault, Sophel. I am the former wife of a police officer. You stupid fuck! And you're gonna pay. Okay, relax. Pay. All of you are gonna pay. It hurts. Please stop. Okay. It hurts. It hurts. That one right here. I'm pissed all over myself because these. And if you're done laughing at me, you know that's going to your report, right? You know that laughing at me and mocking me is going in your report. You stupid.
By the walls, I can keep an eye on her.
Over the next hour, the woman is processed and eventually calms down. She is then allowed to leave, but doesn't make it any easier for the officers.
And here, please. Signing those citations, it's not admission of any guilt. First citation is for a DUI. I'm gonna need your signing here.
What's the next one for?
It's for DUI with property damage.
With
And-
property damage?
Yes.
What property was damaged?
The other car.
What other car?
It was the car you hit.
I didn't hit a car.
Okay, that's gonna be for the judge and for the
What's the
lawyers
third
to
one
decide. It's for a hit and run, so leaving the crash scene. The crash happened on the corner of Sugarloaf Boulevard and US 1 when you were turning left into the Sugarloaf Boulevard, okay?
I didn't go to Sugarloaf Boulevard.
Okay, ma'am,
Anyway,
right here. All right, so that's what you're being charged. On the top of it, you're being charged with resisting arrest without violence. And for assault on the law enforcement officer, you try to bite sergeant, okay?
yeah.
The pens THC.
The ones that they stuck in my pocket?
That.
Just put that in
Okay,
my pocket.
you again, not letting me talk. I'm trying to explain you something, okay?
No, but you weren't the one.
I'm not gonna charge you with it. I'm just gonna put it to the property for destruction.
I don't care.
Otherwise, I can charge you with felony if you would like.
Then destroy it. It's fine. It's
Okay,
fine.
all right, it's gonna be destroyed.
I appreciate that, by the way, because they put this in my pocket.
Who put this in your pocket?
Whoever arrested me, whoever drugged me out of my truck and bruised me.
Yeah, that's insane. Just go with sergeant.
Subscribe to our channel, it's free.